Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
I'm like, give me your phone, let me call my mom. Now me trying to send me befie. Oh no, laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Laugh in the school.
My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Now we a school rat, and now we a good boy. Now we call SU, and now we a
Missy ya papia go see ya uda.
Ye papia.
Brian Bray missy money palaba. So my sister, different dog we be palaba.
So
we say nobody go they can't only for you oh my lover. Obi moi, obi riba. Ule mon missy dance ye ba. Mi da fun si esa keida. Anti me kuma si di bedi asa.
Ejum we dia what's up? Most some day time I'm watching the rough. I feel we yeah ball too raw. I took her 419 new law. Yeah ball quad so nigga ah. Yeah no matter so yeah trebia master yeah twa so yeah drew ball so man no for so can't fante. Aba my queen ton te. Yeah no sana yeah fadrin. Akba sheni ababe my queen yes to yeah chile. Bantama yeah ball I draw 4-1 so air call it. Oh I'm a come K ball okay. Yeah come and jaro short and say oh for. Cause mama yeah partner swatch ya my into me bro.
Obi moi, obi riba. Ule mon messy dance ye ba. Mi da fam si esa keida. Anti me kuma si di bedi asa. Obi moi, obi riba. Ule mon messy dance ye ba. Mi da fam si esa keida. Anti me kuma si di bedi asa. Si ye kwashina ya babe.
Feature ma obey.
Baby boy but asini ali ade.
Waga evolution.
Eketrina ye pape.
Back to my street.
Wap nege so basi.
Wale.
Ubeto koro hey. One click they know one runner. We said you want ya sana. Fi say ye nisi so ye try mana. Obi ara the capture wa my Ghana. Me sit in my body. More town me and me beji inti masaga. One corner say me boy with a killer. Obi a di lane ti won ya men saka. Me sit in my body. More town me and me beji inti masaga. One corner say me boy with a killer. Obi a di lane ti won ya men saka. Go from the no S5. Sweet pop ni manjaro. M-pop go see plus 2. Hey, papi.
Check it. My yako party hard, our S5. If I won't say we need to cast a despite. The woman say we go to master red light. So make yourself a king in your own life. Want you when you will be anyone but jama. And you to a reward, you go say bola. Many genuine shit. Safa can one year with mint and never. Yanko M-pop and aphrodisiac. And show who I in Olivia. On the cross say manjaro. In watching one in school for the shit. They say after party near plus 2. No get fees say you fool. And then you fan give me a fan fool. One time man one in your belly street. Forget it where you walk hala. Me say my coffee and now pen a dear here who me bear mo pick and the yaka would the any bola. Mini chicky check. I go see a penny in the yaka say yes sir. Chicky check. So feel yes.
Obi moi, obi riba. Ule mon me say dance ye ba. Mi da fam si esa keida. Anti me kuma si di bedi asa. Obi moi, obi riba. Ule mon me say dance ye ba. Mi da fam si esa keida. Anti me kuma si di bedi asa. Missy ya papia go see ya uda.
Ye papia.
Brian Bray missy money palaba. So my sister, different dog we be palaba.
So
we say nobody go they come to live for you oh my lover. Obi moi, obi riba. Ule mon messy dance ye ba. Mi da fam si esa keida. Anti me kuma si di bedi asa. Obi moi, obi riba. Ule mon messy dance ye ba. Mi da fam si esa keida. Anti me kuma si di bedi asa.
na wodo ne chimi se koti achimbroni wele kokobi na that lumba se majenti wobi nya nansi mo na yotori omo de be show se kotokori ye be keka wo se menu bon kwano na me ne wo na witu to bi anti chow mo dan woni mo mo show wati ko odo nye sika fi se ba woni wo se do na team se ko people debi e be ya matan for afare
Dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Welcome to the dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Welcome to the dance fever. Gonna be my guest tonight, believe it. Philomena and Mabna. Gonna girl so sick, colomenta. Dear Benna Insida. Dear Benna Emmada. True fact. Gonna for pen con consana to the asana mempaba. Oh yeah, move to the left, move to the right. Camera action, Charlie more light. Don't contest, quite no size. Dance fever, yeah, best say her life. I love the way you move in your body. You the massacre the beat so bloody. What the war, yeah, then yeah, pop it. Nasa boni kuma sasi you crutch it. Dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Welcome to the dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. We a dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Welcome to the dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. I know you loving the dance. Jump on the beat, or you do say like that. Oh yeah, come it's your turn. Shake your bum bum, make it scatter the earth. DJ Fatu repeat. Nani je wo who you need who receive. Movie will feed, forget the beef. Yeah, pass some drinks, now you crack a piece. I am loving the beat, loving your body, I'm feeling the heat. Let's go. Daddy, get on your feet, dance to the team fast, and mommy neat. That's right.
Let's take it with it. It's a brand new song, have fun with it. Dance fever, everybody happy in it. In the club, on the street, let's party with it. Let's take it with it. It's a brand new song, have fun with it. Dance fever, everybody happy in it. In the club, on the street, let's party with it.
Dance fever. Welcome to the dance fever. We a dance fever. Welcome to the dance fever. Yo, shake it, what your mama gave ya. Sick of you go feel lose sooner or later. Crash it, yes and I forget the hater. Shawanase, thanks to the creator. Nyame adaroma, inti na yashiada. So, atamfo bepaba. Missy boom na sa, kotona fa. Enegenda, it is to kapa. Chame lala, na me diaba. And then you made a gibidi dada. Yo, shake it, what your mama gave ya. Sick of you go feel lose sooner or later. Dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Welcome to the dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. We a dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Welcome to the dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum.
Let's take it with it. It's a brand new song, have fun with it. Dance fever, everybody happy in it. In the club, on the street, let's party with it. Let's take it with it. It's a brand new song, have fun with it. Dance fever, everybody happy in it. In the club, on the street, let's party with it.
Dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Let's go. Welcome to the dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Party time. We a dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Let's go. Welcome to the dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Charlie, what could you do now? Morning.
Hey girls, so what are you doing here?
Sir, please, we are in a fix. Can you help us out?
How can I help you?
We want to spend the night here, sir.
What?
Please, sir, don't say no. The headmistress and some teachers are all over our usual routes. When they get us, we are dead, sir. Please help us.
Well, I can help you, but I feel if only you can satisfy my needs.
Oh, sir, just for this night.
Shut! Don't you know that if I'm caught, I'll be sacked from the school?
No, cut it, girl. We are in trouble here. Sir, we will do it.
Aha! That's the kind of girl I want. Also, haven't you felt it already? Come in, girls. Come in.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Laugh in the school.
It has come to the notice of the school authorities that you, the Form 3 students, have taken advantage of our liberal attitudes towards you, and you do things your own way. Would you shut up and listen? On Saturday, the very stubborn ones among you went to town and did your own thing, thinking that you will never get to know. But thank God, the wise ones among you came to report, and we've managed to get some of you. And I promise you, we will be very strict on this case. We are going to undertake a very comprehensive investigation into this case, and the culprits will face the full rigors of the school rules. Will you keep quiet? Madam, do you have anything to add?
Thank you.
Keep quiet! We know all your tricks, and we have mapped out a strategy, ready to counter-attack it. So don't even try any tricks.
Hey, shut up!
You can make all the noise, but remember, when I get you, you will be very sorry.
Hey, shut up! Recalcitrance. Don't you know she's your teacher? That's all for now.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school. Skylo, you say what has found your mind more?
Sorrowful.
You say before she will be had
Boys. Yeah, I'm with you.
Sky, what can you say?
Killings and robbery. Shit, yeah. Hey, yeah, shit, yo. Voila. Right back home.
I'm a aura.
Aditya, Munsempi, and Tidabene, ye mission. Oh, my Lord, have mercy. Now you're falling in the hands of enemies. Timukam booming your warrior country. Send a beya, you best say to history. Mama son, you're ding dong.
Damn, man. How could someone get us? Just at the point we thought we've escaped everybody.
I mean, we planned everything so well. So how could this happen?
Charlie, this problem that we are in needs serious thinking. Oh. I seriously don't know who might have taken our names to the administration.
That be the thing. See, we for punish the person we go talk pa.
You see, I told you, we shouldn't have been there. Now look at the mess we have gotten ourselves into.
Hey. This is not the time to blame people. Come on, let's find a way to settle this out. Than to blame it on people.
I'm sure someone intentionally reported us.
The problem is who? But I do think it's the Eagles or the SU guys. Because I don't trust either of them.
Hey, Chukes deal. This thing where we do where you know say nobody know.
Me, I know say, maybe down. Eagles
squad.
Yeah. We go talk. Forget say, we the never fight finish rate. Then go.
Cut it, man. Have you forgotten the Eagles guys were at the program?
And so what?
Come on, Sparrow. You don't think their case?
Tell them, brother.
They came in, there was a strategy. Have you forgotten they say they're going to pay us back?
Yeah, it could be them. Charlie, I sure say it could be them. You know, since them they live, not the boy we were.
Even the looks on their faces when they left. These guys are punks.
You did everything you go agree, eh? You know go talk me somebody back you that everything you go agree.
Oh, I'm dead. If the headmistress gets to know I'm bad, I'm ruined.
Hey, shut up, would you? After all, no one forced you to join us.
Don't mind him. If you're part of us, you must surely stand every situation we go through. Be it bitter or sweet.
What?
But I joined it not long ago.
Hey, would you cut it? We are here to solve a fix, not to attack each other.
So, what do we do now?
Well, I guess we have to wait for the results of their meeting. Now, there is nothing we can do.
Charlie. Then you don't be them. I should say be there. SU people, where them go talk. See, the other time when they share the bushes in the way then they do that, I should say it go be them.
If it be true.
And they lie.
Hey Ben, your people are just animals without feelings. I mean, we just spent few minutes there, and I thought we'd be left out.
No mercy for the cripple. That's what they will tell you. For them, they are doing something good for the school.
Doing something good for the school, my foot. What do they care? Huh? What do they care?
You know, right now, if we make word on those two people, them are top war.
Yeah. If we make word for them at top war, make them J1 a name for them.
Yeah. We for shake them war.
Yeah.
Them are head wrong. But I'm saying, but them. This small chilling. Where we go chill? Where them reporters no.
I now hate those guys with all my heart. I will screw anyone that crosses my path. Including Josh, that one in my room.
He's the first one. I will hate him forever.
So what do we do now?
What would you do?
The headmistress is really serious on this case. And I believe he's going to apply very strict rules on our case.
I'm just scared of my dad.
Hey guys, listen. This situation we are in is very dicey. And if we didn't take care and this messes up, we will be in serious trouble too.
That's the point, guys. We need to also arrange with the people we trust.
Charlie, you know what? From now, we first strike those two people.
Exactly.
Those go chukas, no? If we need them fail, make them fail. You understand? The venom of the hustlers. That's all.
Yeah. That's what you use some English. What?
Venom of the hustlers.
Okay.
If no be so, then that will kill you.
David go kill you.
See this boy.
Charlie, the hunger against some 50%.
Yourself, ever since you join us, so confusion. You be too bad luck, my friend.
Damn it, man. I swear, if my old boy is to hear of this, I will screw the boss of the people responsible for it.
These guys have really hurt us bad. Real bad. We're going to reply them very bad.
OMG, I come with the boys. And so that Guinness every pretty Rolls Royce. But I won't stop, that's my choice. Sick of the see your weapons like toys. Don't hate me, I'm a brother. It's a Ghana, you've been in with you, I'm a door. Land, don't tell me I'm better. No more from a G, no more call this me later. Laugh in the school.
But Charlie, we thank God now. Our accusation be that we just go the program, no be we organize them. That's all.
Hey guys, we don't have any accusation. Ours is the greatest of all. We are being accused of being the main brain behind the program.
And that's really bad. When I asked one of the teachers on the disciplinary committee, he said the ultimate punishment could be withdrawal from the school.
What?
Hey, these school people will Babylon so.
Charlie, I know they understand though. This thing where we dodge everybody. Where you babu so?
Deden. People they talk this jam matter too much. No, make I know say something go happen.
Talk again. The mobile girls then the shaker girls said they talk and now see.
My dad will kill me if he gets to know. I don't know what to do anymore.
Come on, girl. It's not that bad. We are all in this together.
Well, with me, my daddy know how I am. So he wouldn't be that disappointed. But I don't want him to know about this. It'll pile up the already wrong impression he has recently created of me.
I'm also very worried. When I went home for the dresses, my parents got so suspicious that I had to tell them I've taken it for entertainment program in school. If they get to know the truth behind it, I'm dead.
Now, Charlie, guys, it's time to strike our plan. Yeah, because man, we don't need to go home just like that. Remember, we are all informed for it.
So what?
So what, saying?
You know, we have to go through our plans. And we shouldn't be so scared. If you don't make what is go past your top. Yes, everybody go.
And that's all.
Yeah.
You, I say, when I won't be small. You for let's say, we get case for there already. And the heading go. But how means go through this? Which worsening situations?
Charlie, let me through. That means if we go see the farmer no.
What about that?
It means they piled up all our small cases to make it big, so they can add it together and give us a big punishment.
Really? Then we have we don't have any issue there then, so we shouldn't be scared.
No problem. We have no case in that one.
Charlie, now what we go do?
I don't know, Seth. I make hot swah. People be concerned too much for this school inside.
Oh, Aso, talk again. Despite the movement we pick, or they still catch we.
Oh, talk then talk again.
Charlie, me, I dey go chuck my punk there.
Ah, but we don't know what we go do. Where you go chuck it?
What we go fit do? The thing they had in here. What we go fit do?
Charlie, but still we for do something. We for do something. We not for sit down keke.
Charlie, if you go talk the boys, so make them do something because me, I don't want trouble.
See what you dey talk. You don't want trouble, but you love say you go chill. Charlie, myself, I won't go house.
Charlie, make you no talk that thing. Then you people go.
Yeah, go.
So what do you do then, girls? Please tell me something really encouraging. My heart is splitting up. Come on, girls. Stop behaving like babies. After all, you knew your daddy was straight, but you still got yourself involved with it.
Well, I think we have to arrange with the guys and do something about it, okay?
Why should you have to tell them first?
Because if we don't tell them, they will say something different. We also say something different, which will heighten suspicion.
I think we have to go see them. It's the right thing to do. You think they might be in the dormitory? So we send someone to call them.
Well, we can give it a try.
Charlie, the messenger to WhatsApp. Make we find some money give them. Make we remove one case fast.
Why this your boy get money?
Shucks. Yeah, I talked to the committee to judge the case in our favor, so we have no problem. That's it. Yes, for the cash flows.
Yeah. You guys from where? But Charlie, you guys no give you one money. See.
Yeah, Charlie, you guys comes to my bunker. I'll settle you guys.
Shaking.
Charlie, you be the man. You guys be serious.
Hey, babe. This is not the time to flatter. We are in hot soup.
But you see you. Thank you guys. Charlie, good luck on your plans.
Alright, Charlie. Alright. We'll crush it.